Reel it in a little bit. Alright, hold on. Look at that thing go. What in the freaking... What is that thing? Oh my gosh, that is so weird.
Yeah.
It's like a little tiny seagull just jet skiing.
Yeah. Oh yeah, when Jaden said he saw a seagull when we went camping, he might have saw a swan.
No, it wasn't a swan either. It was some kind of hawk out where we were. It's not funny.
No one's over here.
Yeah, I think it's pretty funny too. Whatever. Guess it's funny. Hey, it is not funny. Why don't you tell us what that is swimming around?
What do you say if one of them came over and ate it?
Look at that one thing swam right over to your bobber.